आए थे?
हाँ आया था।
आपकी कब बात हुई थी उनसे आखिरी?
सुबह ड्यूटी हो गया, मैं ड्यूटी गया, वो आया ड्यूटी, सब हॉस्पिटल ढूंढ लिया, किधर भी नहीं है।
I am Aneri Shah and I am reporting right now from the Singachi Industries Private Limited, where we see that a massive explosion, a reactor explosion had taken place on Monday morning at around 10 a.m. where we see that near about 90 workers were working inside this very industry where there was a huge explosion that had taken place. Also, we see that how NDRF teams, SDRF teams, police officials and also DRF rescue teams have been working, how the authorities are clearing the debris which was caught under the explosion. Almost the 3-story building was had come down due to this massive explosion that had taken place, and not only that, we see that 12 people have lost their life, and also at the same time near about 36 people have been undergoing treatment at the hospital. And also now authorities have been saying that at the time of incident there were near about 90 workers who were inside working in this very factory when the explosion had taken place. And also not only that, as you can see on the other side, how on one side we see that the rescue operations are underway, how there are fire tenders which have been brought in to douse the fire, as there was this thick smoke. And right now also, as the debris are being cleared, there is thick smoke that has been coming out, and that is the reason why we see that all of these fire tenders have been brought in. There are JCBs which have been brought in by the authorities. As you can see, JCBs have been working on to clear the debris there, and also all the material which has to be brought out from the incident site. And also, as you can see, the rescue teams who have been working, all of these debris have been brought out, the material, the raw material from inside, which was damaged due to the explosion that had taken place. Well, now what we also see is that Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has reviewed the situation, and he has also ordered for a thorough investigation into this matter, and also asked the officials to ensure that all the medical treatment has to be given timely, and also better medical facilities has to be provided to those who have been injured. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also announced an ex gratia and expressed a deep shock over this very incident where 12 people have lost their life.